Hey everyone, I'm Basanta from Smart Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you a phone that is total scam and fraud. Please don't fall into this scam and stop buying Escobar phone. This is a Escobar phone from Pablo Escobar's brothers, and it's basically selling the flagship phones in very cheap price. For example, Galaxy Fold for $499. That's a $2,000 phone, and they are selling for $400. That's even gold plated on the back end. So this is total scam. And how does this scam work? That's what I'm gonna talk today. And please don't buy, period. Stop. So their marketing strategy is they buy a few pieces of the flagship like Galaxy S, Galaxy Fold, or the iPhone 11. They released iPhone 11 recently, and they buy either refurbished or the regular model of the flagship, and then they plate it with a gold on the back end. It's very thin layer of gold. It won't take more than 50 or 70 bucks, and they market for $499. If you think of iPhone 11 Pro, that's a $1,200 phone, and if they are selling for $499, you should be suspicious. So similarly, they sold Galaxy S Fold with their model Escobar Fold, and they are selling iPhone 11 Pro for Escobar 11. So that's a scam, and they are just trying to get money out of it, and they don't ship the phone at all. And how do they market is totally shocking. For example, they send the customized model that they are trying to market, and they send it to the top reviewer. For example, MKBHD is having 11 million subscribers, and Unbox Therapy also has 16-17 million subscribers. And they send it to those kind of top reviewers, and because they get it for free and they don't do much of the investigation during the review, and they just open it and they show it to the customers or the viewers of their subscribers basically. And their subscribers, not all are very well aware whether this is a scam or real phone, so some of them buy, then they get money. Once they go to the Escobar site and buy the phone, they get the money. The payment method is non-refundable, like they ask for Western Union or direct bank payment, those kind of things. These are totally non-refundable payment method, and even if you look at the site itself, that's non-secured site, not HTTPS enabled. So if you fall into that trap, you lost money. You won't get the phone, but you lost the money. And like I said, MKBHD or Unbox Therapy or any other top reviewer gets free phone, and they do the unboxing or the first impression kind of video, and from that YouTube subscribers get to view that, and then they really get interested on that cheap model, because iPhone 11 Pro is $1,150 or up, and if you are getting that for $499, then that's a really good deal, and anyone can fall on it if they don't do a little bit of research. And similarly, they sold the S Fold, Galaxy S Fold, with their brand and name like Escobar Fold. That's also on the $499. If you think like $2,000 phone comes in $499, then we are stupid. So don't fall into that scam. Again, the way it works is they buy a couple of products and customize it. All of those few products, they send it to the reviewer, market it, and then once they launch the site or the model on their site, and you just go and buy, but they never get phone. They just get loss of their money, and that's all. And after that, they release another phone again, they do the same scam again, maybe a little bit variation, and they might send it out in different way, but it's all scam. They are looting the money from the consumers. So don't fall on that trap, stay aware. That's my time today. Thank you for watching.